I'm using a lithium ion battery that I bought for this. It's a 1972 Yamaha 350, and the lithium ion battery is extremely light. It weighs next to nothing, and the only difference I see is with this meter you can see it's reading 13.38 volts, almost 13.4 volts, where if you check a lead acid battery it'll be like 12.5 or 12.6, something like that. Just a difference that I noticed that I find odd, but so far my switch works all right. I put my switch here. This is my ground switch. I broke the ground wire with this switch, which I can do on this motorcycle because it doesn't have an electric starter, so that was pretty easy to do, and I thought maybe a little safer to do it that way. If you do one with electric starter like I did, you're going to have to use a switch on the red wire. There'd be two red wires. One of them will be heavy and one of them will be light, and the light one's the one you need to put the switch on. But seems to work. It doesn't drain anything when I turn off that switch. I guess you can see this needle pretty well. So it definitely charges the battery. It doesn't overcharge it anyway.